Hey, welcome to another tutorial of HeyRahat. If you want to create video or image like this with using a AI which is totally free and you can generate it like this image. It's a totally high quality just with some comments. So let's show you how you can do. So it's called playgroundai.com. It's not playground.ai, it's playgroundai.com. Sorry. So here you can see you just sign in using your Gmail account. It's not currently accepting any others account. Like you can use your external mail or temp mail, something like that. So it's not accepting right now, so you have to use your original Gmail account. I generated this image just using a simple command, just one comment, and look how is the output. So here you can see it's the page, the front page. Here you can see it's a prompt, and you can just write down a fish in here. Fish. Let's see. So let me move myself from here. And here you can see remove from image. You if you don't need something like a water or something disturbing things, then you can just allow this, and you can just pink. I don't want pink color, so that's the issue. And filter, here you can choose a filter. It's a we They have more than five filters. As you can see, they have radiant, lush, neon, cinematic, masterpiece, black and white, and you can just try different ones. As you can see, you can also upload a fish images from your PC, from your desktop. As you can see, you want something like that picture, then you can upload that picture and click on generate. So let me generate it. Okay, a fish outer space. Yeah, because I choose saturated space. It's a illusion that outer space fishes. So yeah, it's not bad at all. Let me choose delicate detail. Okay, flat will be good. Okay, fish. Maybe this doesn't even mean fish, I think. Okay, let me cinematic. Try cinematic. This doesn't also even mean fish. Okay, a warrior. Warrior. Let's try this one. Ah, that's good. Okay, let's clear female. Then see how it's giving me its output. That's called zombie, I think. Not bad at all, cause I just only input a command. It is a warrior. You can write details like the face, like the body attitude, like the arms you will have. So you can just customize it. So let's see its features. If I go to their pricing, there you can see they have now three pricing, which is free for everyone, which is pro, and another is DALI 2, which is from OpenAI. So free for everyone, you can create 1,000 images per day, which is so enough for one person. You can create 1,000 images. Just imagine, you can just use this free. Use image commercially, you can use this image commercially. And the pro version, you have to spend 15 bucks for 2,000 images per day. No waiting, you can just get all the access. And you can spend 10 bucks for DALI 2. It's from OpenAI, which is and their program combination, and they will output some better quality thing. So that's it. You can give it a try. I will give the link in my video description.